Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here again with another YouTube tutorial video. So you are very excited that your YouTube account has been monetized and you will be start getting the money from YouTube. But the problem is you did not get the pin to verify your account because YouTube Studio is showing different revenue and whereas Google AdSense is showing another different amount, and that is your concern. In this video, I will be showing you what's the issue and what you have to do. So please watch this video, and in the end, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now you go to your YouTube account, and on the top right side, you know where to go to the YouTube Studio. So I'm clicking that and go to the YouTube Studio. So under the YouTube Studio, I'm at the dashboard and you go to the analytics. So on the left side, and then you can see the revenue generated so far. So when you achieve $10 target, so you will get a pin to verify your account. So that way you have to put up your BSB and account number, all your banking details, and then you start getting the money in your account. So if you go to Google AdSense, so I'm going to now Google AdSense. So this is my Google AdSense account, and if you see the balance here is 11 cents only, and whereas if I go back to my Google YouTube Studio, so YouTube Studio is showing $15.08. So it is quite a big difference. And because here Google AdSense is showing 11 cents only, and if I go on the left side, if I go to the payments one, I am on the payment tab. So I am still seeing the same amount, 11 cents. And on the tops, on the top of the screen, there is no action bar where I need to like provide any my banking details because I did not get any pin so far. So that is the problem. So now I show you why it is that. To explain you the reason for that, let's go back to your YouTube Studio. So I am back to the YouTube Studio. So on the top side, if you go to the revenue bar here, so then you can see the revenue. So it is showing the daily figure. So if you see here, it is showing 15th of September, my account was monetized. So from 15th of September till now, that is the revenue, and which I can see here. Whereas on this Google AdSense, it is on the very first day balance. This is the very first day balance, and it is not updated on a daily basis. That's why there is a difference. So because between YouTube and AdSense, there is a time lag when they update their balances. So you don't need to worry once you like have a 30 days. So because they are doing every 30 days, they are updating the balance. So on roughly every 30 days, you will have a correct figure. So once you have that in the next month cycle, so you can see the correct balance. And if it is over $10, you will definitely get a pin to verify your account. And once you have that pin, so you will see on the top bar saying action required. And then you have to put up your banking details. So here on the verification check, if I go, I can see it is still asking me verify your identity because I am waiting for the pin. So that is the thing. You don't need to worry. It will be all good. It is only a time lag between two different systems exchanging the data between each other. Thanks for watching, guys, and focus on your YouTube channel. Thank you.